When I first held my child in my arms, I felt overwhelmed with the love and the joy. I knew that I wanted to give her the best possible start in her life. But so far, I haven't spent quality time with my kid. I felt like I'm failing as a parent. That guilt was slowly killing me. I don't know what to do. Recently, one of our workshop participants said this to me. I was literally touched and her guilt was so heavy and crushing. If you feel the same, then we are here to tell you you're not alone. That's where our optimized mindful parenting workshop comes in. In our workshop, we equip parents with the necessary tools and techniques that nurture the subconscious mind of children. In just 5 days, you will learn the research-based techniques for raising happy, healthy and well-groomed children. You will also discover on how to channelize your child's energy in a right direction, and you will also learn to get rid of any bad behaviors with your child by using just 5-minute simple techniques, and also it creates a positive relationship between you and your child, which makes you a confident and super productive parent. Join our workshop and unlock your child's true potential. Click on the link below to know more and sign up for our optimized mindful parenting workshop today. I have to tell you, the program has very limited seats, and so register now before it's too late. I will see you in the workshop.